Orlando Pirates' remarkable momentum came to an abrupt halt on Sunday afternoon as they fell 3-0 to San Ulupopo in the first leg of the CAF Champions League second preliminary round at the Stade Kibasa Maliba in Lubumbashi, DRC. The defeat also ended Pirates' impressive 10-game winning streak across all competitions, a run that had positioned them as strong contenders in both domestic and continental tournaments. Arriving in the DRC with confidence, bolstered by a recent Bafana Bafana collapse and a stellar run of form, the Buccaneers struggled to assert themselves against Lupopo side determined to dominate. The home team set the tone early, with Juanit Kashala firing a thunderous strike from outside the box in the 5th minute, leaving goalkeeper Sipo Chain rooted and the home fans erupting in celebration. Pirates found it difficult to adjust to the slick, artificial pitch and the relentless pressing of Les Cheminots amid the sweltering Lubumbashi heat. Head coach Abdusalam Wadu, familiar with the challenges of Congolese football from his previous stint at AS Vita Club, could not have anticipated such a sluggish start from his side. Wadu made 3 changes from the team that defeated Siwelele FC in the Betway Premiership, with Sipombule replacing the injured Lobohile Mofokeng and Kosinati Sibisi returning to bolster the defense. Despite creating a notable chance in the 26th minute, as Kamokhalo Sebelebele danced past 2 defenders to deliver a dangerous cross, Pirates were unable to convert, heading into halftime trailing 1-0 unfortunately. The second half offered a glimpse of hope as Wado introduced Chalente Mbata and Oswina Police, prompting Pirates to control possession and press high in search of an equalizer, yet their attacking intent left gaps at the back. Lupopo capitalized in the 70th minute when Jermaine Gambo smashed home a rebound after a free kick hit the wall, doubling the host's lead. In stoppage time, Lupopo added the third, effectively putting the tie out of reach heading into the return leg in South Africa. Despite late efforts from Zakhele Makgoba and the police, Pirates were unable to breach a disciplined Lupopo defense led by a flawless performance from Cameroonian goalkeeper Simon Omosola. The Buccaneers now face a steep task in next Saturday's return leg at Orlando Pirates Stadium, but domestic action awaits sooner with the midweek Betway Premiership clash against Polokwane City, an opportunity to reset and prepare for a continental resurgence. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.